How to add product reviews on Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add product reviews on your Shopify store. So let's jump right in. Now we all know Shopify as the powerful e-commerce store builder. However, Shopify has one really big issue. They don't have a default review section for products. So I've added these mustard colored pants, but there is no place where my customers could review this product. And this can be a really big con, especially if you are trying to establish trust with your customers. Because people like to see reviews and gain knowledge about the type of product it is or how the product functions and other information. So we can use applications or plugins to build our own product review section on Shopify, and I'll show you guys exactly how. To do this, the first thing you're going to do is head on over to your Shopify dashboard. Then you're going to click on Settings on the bottom left, and once you click on Settings on the bottom left, you're going to click on Apps and Sales Channels on the left. Once you do that, click on the Shopify App Store to open up the Shopify App Store. Now, once you have opened up the Shopify App Store, you can proceed with searching for your product review application. Now, there are quite a few different applications available that enable you to create a review section. My preferred one is Judge Me Product Reviews because it allows me to integrate AliExpress reviews or dropshipping reviews as well. However, other product review applications work really well as well, including Luke's and Trust Product Reviews. Luke's, again, is a great tool to use. Both of these have a free trial available, and Luke's has only paid plans, so you can't use it for free forever. But Judge Me Product Reviews has a free plan available, which you can use indefinitely. And the Trust You Product Reviews application also has a free review application. And with this, it allows you 50 order requests, import 20 reviews, review 6 reviews per product, as well as display discount codes, feeds, and chat support. Now, I am going to be using Judge Me Reviews, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to set that up. So click on the Judge Me Product Reviews application. And the reason why I love this is because on their free plan, you have unlimited review requests, unlimited photo and video reviews that can be included, as well as amazing widgets and SEO snippets. So you're going to click on Install over here, and this will open up a new tab for you to install the Judge Me application. Click on Install over here. And once you click on Install, you're going to be led to the next section, which is setting up the Judge Me Product Reviews application. So you're going to pin this to your navigation on the left and then click on Start Setup. Firstly, you have to enable the app in your Shopify store. So just click on this green button over here. And once you click on this green button, this will open up the Shopify store editor in a new tab. On the left, you will see the app embed is now enabled, and you're just going to click on Save and go back into your original tab. Now that you have gone into your original tab, you can just click on Install Review Widget again, and this will just enable the application on all of the pages and add the widget over here. Now, by default, the application adds the review widget under related products, but I like to move it just under the product information and then just click on Save. Once you do that, you're going to move towards the next step, which is to include star ratings. Now, all of these are optional things. If you don't want to include star ratings within your product, you can skip this step. But I personally do like to include star ratings. So I'm just going to click on Install Star Ratings. And within your product template, star ratings are now going to be added. By default, star ratings are added at the bottom of the product template, as you guys can see. However, I like to display the star ratings right under the store, the product name, or the product price. So I'm going to hold it from here and move it right under the title of my product, like so. And it's a really simple drag and drop system, so you can easily move this to whatever section you like. Then click on Save and go back into your original tab. Once you've done that, you can choose your star colors. So usually people like to match these with their store colors or the theme of their store that they are going for. I'm going to go with this really bright yellow and I'll just click on Continue. Then we have automatic review requests. So you can start sending review request emails for any orders that are placed for a product automatically. You can confirm the timing below. So, how many days after the product order is placed, then you want to ask them for a review. So, for domestic orders, after the order is fulfilled, I want to send a review request after 4 days. And for international orders, I want to do it after 10 days because I want to ensure that by the time the review request email is sent, the customer actually has the product in hand so that they can review it. Click on Finish over here, and just like that, your Judge Me product review widget is now live. Now, if I open up my product over here, which is this listing for pants, you will see currently it does not have any star ratings because it does not have any reviews. But at the bottom, there is a customer review section, and any customer can, write a review. They can add a rating, they can add the review title, and then just click on Submit Reviews. Now, you can alter the settings of these review widgets within the Judge Me application. To do that, just go on to Judge Me Reviews on the left, then click on Widgets right under that. Once you do that, you can see your review widget and your star rating badge. These were the two that were installed in the onboarding. There are other types of widgets that you can include on different pages, including things like a carousel, Judge Me medals, verified review counter, floating review tabs, and more. However, I'm going to be focusing on product reviews, so I want to customize the review widget that is used within my products. So I'll click on Customize over here. And once you do that, you will see the review date. Then you have certain things that you can only edit within Judge Me if you have the premium version. So their Judge Me branding can only then be removed. I don't like the super bright yellow, so I'm going to go for a slightly different color. I think I'm going to go for maybe a purple color. This looks a bit better. And then after that, we have text customizations as well. So over here, you guys will see collected by Judge Me. There is a See More button, a grid title called Customer Photos and Reviews. I think this looks pretty much fine. I'm going to move towards the next section. This is the section where you can allow customers to add photos or videos. I want them to be able to add photos as well as videos, but I want to mute the videos by default. Then we can also include a media grid to include recent photos and videos that are uploaded by customers. After that, we can include Judge Me product medals. I'm not going to include these. And then after that, we have review source. So you can add a link at the bottom of the widget with information about your collection policy, or you can add a Judge Me collection banner beneath your widget. I don't want to display any of that, so I'm just going to proceed. And I'm just going to click on Save, and now my changes have been made to my review widget. And just like that, we have an amazing review section for our products on Shopify. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video. If you have any questions or queries about Judge Me, Shopify, or any other platform, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.